Happy Monday, everybody. Figured I'd give y'all an update. I haven't worked on this in a while. I got this all tapped in today. So we're running into an issue with our rack mount. Can't really see it, but right here, through here, I'm gonna have to notch out for the rack because it's not touching, but the paper I've been going off of asked for a 1/4 inch gap, so we're going to put a little notch in here to get the clearance. I don't know if I showed you all the rims or not. Had to order spacers. That neat. Trying to put the front together, get everything put in. So I can square it off for that. This has been my cheat sheet. It really does. It breaks it down pretty well. It's got a lot of information in it. And then we are gonna be running coilovers. So at this page, it tells you how to convert your existing shock and coil setup. You'll cut this out, make it where you can bolt the bottom of the coil in, and you'll cut this out to where it'll accept the top of the coil. But, oh yeah, Andy's had decided that he wants to put the Lanco in this now. I'm really excited about this rear end housing. Got all the bracketries for it. I gotta cut them tubes down a lot. And then bracing stuff. And this is more cheat sheets. Gotta love them. So that's the kit we got. If y'all order this, just a heads up. Don't order Heims with it because it says that it doesn't have Heims, but it definitely comes with Heims. And he ended up buying an extra set. But here's what it is, man. So yeah, I just wanted to give y'all a quick update on the old shop car. I am still working at it. Yeah, that was when I locked them pieces up. But just so you know what time we're running. QuickTime Pro. Y'all have a good rest of your week. There's the skinnies in the front. Tall skinnies. He's thinking about getting smaller. He was worried about our ride height. But we have learned why most frames aren't just flat straight like that. When they have the arch up here in the front by the engine bay, it's to clear all this shit. That's why we're having to notch this, because if I come up with the core support and then it's getting tight on down in here, and we don't need all that. So the paper says I can notch it. It's normal practice. That's the way we're gonna try it. Like I say, hope y'all have a good week.